I'm Tia Borden with MiningIR. Joining me today is Catalin, CEO of Canagold Resources. Catalin, thank you so much for joining me today.
Pleasure to be here.
Are you enjoying the conference so far?
Yeah, it's been a great event for sure.
Lots of meetings.
Lots of interesting stuff going on for sure.
Good, good. Can you give us a bit of background on the company?
Yeah, I mean, Canagold, it's a TSX listed company that's advancing one of the highest grade gold projects in the Western Hemisphere to production through feasibility, permitting, and we really have a unique situation where we have a funding commitment from our largest shareholder to complete the bankable feasibility and the permitting of the project, which is very unique for our sector, which is always relying on the ability to raise capital. And of course, on the volatility of the markets, there are times when people can't raise money, so things get put on hold. So we are very fortunate to have this financing commitment, which allows us to weather any storms in the metal prices and the markets to achieve the objective of bringing towards a production decision one of the highest grade gold deposits in Western Canada.
That's a very fortunate position to be in.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit more about the flagship project?
Yes, the project is located in northwest British Columbia, very close to Alaska. It's about 10 grams gold and roughly about a 1 million ounce resource. It's a very high grade gold project, and which allows us to have a small operation, roughly about 1,000 tons a day, but yet producing about 100,000 ounces of gold a year for about 10 years. So, so it's a pretty unique project. As a result of the, size of the project, the capital cost would be expected probably to be under about $200 million, so very affordable to put in production. And again, due to the high-grade nature of the project, the economics of the project look very good based on the preliminary economics we've done on the project, which are all public. And now we're going through the process of going and completing the feasibility study, which will further define and confirm those economics. So,
and what is some of the success that you've experienced this past year?
It's been, for our company, it's been a transformational year because this project has been around and the company has been around for a very long time. It's actually about 30 years. So it's really in the last few months when the company fundamentally changed. I've rejoined as the CEO actually about 3 months ago. I was with the company before for about 4 years, from 14 to 18. But due to the, the support and alignment and the board of directors, the company has not really moved forward for a very long period of time. This has all changed now with a large shareholder and a completely new board, and effectively a brand new management team and a fresh approach on the project with the ability to actually execute. So a lot has changed literally in the last few months for the company. And believe it or not, we have shareholders been around for 20, 30 years that are very happy to see this change happening, and we're actually seeing great feedback and great support.
And I guess that will change things going forward as well into the new year. What do you expect for 2023?
I think really for us, 2023 and onwards is an execution year, right? It's the year when we are actually going to be having a lot of news flow as things progress. We've already begun the feasibility study, so that started. The permitting process will commence in Q1 of next year. So there's going to be a lot of milestones that will be achieved as we push the project forward. So it's very exciting. Keeps us very busy. We're very happy to do that, and we are very fortunate to have also the support of the First Nations group, which is one group that we're dealing with on a particular project. They've been very supportive, and we'll be engaging with them more in an effort to bring the project through the permitting process.
Catalin, can you tell us what are the top three reasons why investors should invest with you?
I think it's very simple. We are a little bit of a unique public company when you look at the junior space, to the fact that we kind of have security of funding, right? So that's one of the main reasons. We can weather the downturns of the market. Second reason, grade, especially in mining, it's king, like they say, right? So we have, as I mentioned, one of the highest grade gold deposits in Western Canada that we're bringing forward. And the third thing is really the ability of our team and the shareholder base to execute, and the track record of everybody that's really involved in the company, both at the board level, management level, even Sun Valley, which is our largest shareholder. The amount of value that we have collectively created through our past endeavors, it's proven, and we can't afford to let down our credibility with this one. So it looking very good, actually. I'm very happy to be part of it.
Such great news. Catalin, thank you so much for chatting with me today.
Anytime. Thank you.